Now that our dataset is ready for modeling, I first import the necessary libraries to run the models and load the clean data into Python. Next, I will drop the target variable, which is sale price, since that is the variable that we are going to be predicting. Next, I will separate the dataset into train and test, which is the training data and the separate target variable data. As we will do this to run our regression models. Different models I'm planning to compare our lasso, random forest, and gradient boost method on the dataset to create an efficient model for the given data. I am planning to use cross-validation score as a metric to compare these models with 15 folds. The objective is to cover as many different combinations as possible to make the model robust and be able to predict value against test data. I will be running each model separately. We first begin by running the lasso regression model. We visualize the cross-validations of the 15 folds, and these are the results. Next, we will look at the mean for the CV. The cross-validation score mean is 0.12188. Now we will run our next model. The next model that we have run is the random forest regressor. We do that similar to the lasso model, and we will again be implementing a 15-fold cross-validation. The results are as follows. As we can see, the mean for this model is 0.1354, which is a little bad as compared to the lasso model. So far, the lasso model is our best model. We now run our third model, which is the gradient boosting regressor. Again, we have 15 folds for our cross-validation. The mean this time was 0.12, and this is the plot for the same. Thus, we can see that gradient boosting is one of our best models. Now, as a final step, I further studied the data to see what features heavily influence the target variable. I used random forest regression to create a model for the given trained dataset to fit the target dataset. I then I have plotted the coefficients for different features in descending order. From the plot, we can see that the target sales price is heavily influenced by overall quality of the home, which is expected. The new feature that we created, which is the total square footage, is the second most correlated feature, which is also expected. The other features, such as central air conditioning, number of garage cars, and general living area, are also heavily influence the target variable sale price, though not as much as overall quality and total square footage. Thank you.